can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
Good morning, guys. So I have to clean up the mess that I just made, which is super great. The reason why I wake up at like 8:30 is because my stupid window is so bright and I can't sleep in, and I usually like to get a start on my day. So this is my morning routine, and yeah, let's get into it. That is all for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any more videos that you want to see. Just DM me an Insta or comment down below. I am currently going to a meeting and then shopping with my friends, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!